In a forest filled with towering trees, there lived a fox named Finley. Unlike the other foxes, Finley had a heart full of kindness. One day, Finley found a small bird with a broken wing. He gently picked up the bird and took it to his den. He cared for the bird, bringing it berries and water. Days turned into weeks, and the bird's wing slowly healed. Finley and the bird became the best of friends. One sunny morning, the bird was strong enough to fly. It circled Finley's head, chirping happily, before soaring into the sky. Finley watched it go, a warm feeling in his heart. He was happy to have helped. Soon after, a storm raged through the forest. The animals were scared and needed shelter. Remembering Finley's kindness, they all sought refuge in his den. Finley opened his home to all, sharing his food and warmth. The animals were amazed by his generosity. The storm passed, and the animals thanked Finley for his help. From that day on, the forest creatures knew Finley as the kind fox, and his den was always a safe place. He continued to help anyone in need, proving that kindness always returns.